Angelo, and I am the SSG President of NC for this school year. Actually, for last school year dahil bumalik na kami. But anyways, kumusta naman ang crowd natin dyan? Ayan, first of all, as what Andrea said kanina, this is a very historic event for NC because after the pandemic and after years of waiting for Battle of the Bands, natuloy na rin siya. Actually, I'm very glad to see all of you here sa NC Generation because actually when we were planning about NC Battle of the Bands, online talaga dapat siya. And look at us. Nandito na tayo sa mismo NC Generation at I'm very thankful na we're able to do this. Dahil after the pandemic, medyo nalungkot nga tayo. But I hope that this event will uplift all of you guys. So, I know that we haven't started yet, but I would love to acknowledge all of my SSG family. So let us start for handling the staff and the sales. Lou, Alexander, Ren, Samantha, Aliana, Charm, thank you. And for making sure that everything is smoothly done, Alex, David, Katie, Dana, and Kaiser, and for the main organizers, so without all of you, I hindi na magiging posible. So thank you for pushing this event with our administration. And pero syempre, mas hindi ito posible kung wala kayo. Kaya we really thank you. And alam niyo ba, na-sold out ang live tickets natin. Pero nakikita natin na medyo hindi pa tayo kompleto. Siguro tayo sa ulan, but let's wait for them later. Ayun naman, thank you everyone.